Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September the 9th, 2021. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in this additional, and this will be a number 3370. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one. Oh, here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Then let me compare. 10. This row and the last row. 1 1. 1 1. Empty box. 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. Great. A binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the 4th puzzle in this additional a tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.